You guys know why I call it this family meeting? You guys know why I call it this family meeting? All right, I'll give you one word. Puppies. Puppies. Samson, we'll start with you. Mr. Humper. Huh? How about that? You have no self-control, bud. Zero. You know what? I'm gonna change your name. I'm gonna put it on. I'm AKC ICCF Mr. Humper. Huh? Wake up, you're humping on a Monday, humping on a Tuesday. Wednesday is hump day. How many days did you have to hump to get 12 puppies, Samson? 12. Huh? And you, Miss Promiscuity. You just walk around here shaking your tail feather or whatever they call it nowadays, huh? You guys weren't thinking about anybody but yourselves, huh? You know what? I'm going to call Great Lakes County Corso tomorrow. I'm calling them. I knew your quality. Your quality. They told me you were active. I didn't know this is what they meant when they said active. I didn't know this is what they meant. You're active. 12 puppies. 12. You must have got it from your dad. Your dad must be like, I heard he was a Rolling Stone. Huh? Jagger? It's your dad? Whoa. Wait. Jagger, like Mick Jagger. Oh, now it all makes sense. It all makes sense now. And you let them. Both you guys. I want you to go to your room until I can figure out what to do with you. Huh? How about that? Okay? All right. Out of here. March. Okay? March. No, not together. Not together. Separate. I teach you guys better self-control than that. You guys didn't get that from me. I'm sitting here all alone by a fireplace, god dog. Huh? Wish I had some action.